Hey everyone, welcome back to Upstart YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about Levin's electric eraser. Before going to the video, do subscribe this channel. Okay. Now let's roll the intro. As I said before, this product is manufactured by Levin's. For me, this is the best and affordable electric eraser in this price. There is no battery in the box. You can pause the video and read all the information. The product need 2 battery. Press the button and hold to start it. Just hold and push the eraser holder to change the eraser nib. There are 2 eraser holder for 2.3 mm and 1 for 5 mm eraser. Let's try it out.